Hi guys, welcome back at Approved Detailing. Today we are transforming this Audi TTRS. Stay tuned to find out how. Hi guys, my name is Barbie and we are here talking about... Hey! What's going on?
I didn't realise you were filming yet. Oh,
Here we are.
Needs must anyway. What's going on here?
Oh, look at this, Abby. We are transforming this Audi TTRS.
What a different look. It's looking absolutely amazing. And I was going to ask you what we're doing so far, because yesterday this car was still blue.
Yeah, right. It's very interesting. So we're transforming this car with colored PPF. You can already see it's a piano glossy black PPF. We're going to transform the car while we keep protecting the original color. That's very important. So we already removed some parts and the guys are still working on it. We already covered the back and the bumper, so you can see how nice and shiny glossy black it is.
You see they did that one over there?
Yes. So let's have a look on these doors that's been removed. You can already see that we covered the edges.
So eventually you basically won't see any vision that this car was ever blue. You won't be able to tell, because even on the door hinges, perfect. That's vinyl. Voila.
Yeah.
I mean a bad one. This isn't a bad one, this is a good one. Okay, we don't. Our glamorous assistant Ramon over there. Everybody give Ramon a round of applause. I just asked him to actually bring a sample of traditional vinyl. Because traditional vinyl, sometimes people ask, why would I want to pay extra for coloured PPF versus a traditional vinyl, which can be like a few thousand dirhams less. There's several reasons. What's the reasons, Barbie?
The most important reason is that we want to keep the original paint protected. So color PPF will give you protection. That's very, very important.
So basically as well, sometimes when you do a traditional vinyl, you can get some higher quality ones now, like this one here. This is actually a vinyl and not a PPF. And as you can see, it's a very, very nice finish. But guys, the difference is that when the PPF is put on the car, it's doing a double job, because you've changed the color and you're protecting it at the same time. Whereas traditional vinyl, although you can get higher quality ones now, you can actually do a double job as well. But of course, it's double the cost. So you can put a nice quality vinyl on it, and then to protect the vinyl, you can put a PPF on top of it. Actually, there's a Mercedes Maybach that we did that, and there's a whole video which will pop up there for you as well, just to show you how good vinyl can look. But the thing is, it still doesn't self-heal. So why not kind of cut out the extra cost, and if you're gonna change the color, do it all in one with a colored PPF. Actually, the color range isn't so big as traditional vinyl, just because it's a lot newer technology. I would say it's been around now, I've been using it for about 4 or 5 years, but I would say that I would rather find a colored PPF than find a vinyl and do that double job, especially when you're doing the full car as well.
So let me just show you some of the parts that the guys already removed. So we got the 2 doors here. I know it looks like a chaos, but it's not a chaos. It's really well organized. So all of these parts has been removed so we can complete the transformation for this Audi TTRS. We are back. The Audi TTRS is done. Look at these guys. From blue, it really went black. And it looks so nice. It's a piano black, very nice and glossy. Let's come closer. I'll open the door and you can see how we wrapped the door sealing. Look at here. Could you tell that this car has ever been blue? So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to get the same done to your car, don't forget to call Barbie.